Hello, today we will guide you through how to browse channels in Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll start from a direct message view and move to the channels directory so you can easily explore conversations happening across your workspace. Begin with Slack open to any direct message. This is simply our starting point, and it helps you see how to get to the directory from a typical day-to-day view. Look to the left rail of Slack where the main navigation lives. From here, head to Home. The Home view is your central hub. It resets your perspective to a place where you can access organization-wide tools and discover more of what's happening beyond your DMs. Once you're on Home, locate directories. The Directories section is designed to help you find people, channels, and apps in one place. Think of it like a searchable, browsable catalog for your workspace. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal. Slack updates its interface from time to time, and organizations can customize navigation. In some setups, directories may be grouped under a More menu in the left rail. Inside directories, choose Channels. This opens a dedicated view of the channels available for you to discover. Here you'll typically see channel names, brief descriptions, and member counts, which give you a quick sense of what each channel is about and how active it might be. Public channels are usually listed by default. Private channels won't appear unless you've been invited, so don't worry if you don't see something you expect. Privacy settings control visibility. Now scroll through the results to explore. Take your time reading the descriptions to understand each channel's purpose, such as project updates, team discussions, or topic-specific help. If you see an icon or naming convention, it often signals the channel's function. For example, names that start with help or proG can indicate support or project spaces. As you scroll, notice patterns like member counts and recent activity indicators. These clues help you prioritize which channels might be most useful. A few tips as you browse. Many workspaces include a search bar or filters in the channels view, letting you narrow by name or topic. You can also look for channels related to your team, tools you use, or initiatives you follow, which makes onboarding to new projects faster. If you don't see what you need, your workspace may have naming guidelines posted in a general information channel or help center. That's it. You've gone from a direct message to Home, to directories, into channels, and scrolled through the options to explore what's available. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing in Slack.